OK, so dim moes ymgrymu bellach, ond dyn ni'n mynd i rando nawr ar Tim Richards. If I could call on Tim, please, to come to the microphone. Diolch.
Just press it in.
Hello?
Right, hi. Well, it's a mixed thing today, isn't it? We've got 1831, yeah? And the Merthyr Rising. And it was before Chartism. And in 1831, they weren't petitioning the king, or the queen rather at that time. They were taking control, yeah? So, in simple language, that is something that's worth remembering, yeah? When it comes to the monarchy, right? Okay, sorry. When it comes to the monarchy, in simple language, we have an United Kingdom which is disintegrating. You know it, I know it. In the last 10 years since devolution, yeah, we know that people are less and less interested in the United Kingdom. And the Queen's position is to symbolise the United Kingdom. And let's not forget what the United Kingdom is. It's not just Britain, yeah? It's not just Northern Ireland, it's Jersey, Guernsey, the Isle of Man. I mean, how many states are going to have tax havens within them? Because that's what those islands are. But in simple terms, there are big gaps in the UK Constitution. For instance, the Association of Chief Police Officers doesn't swear allegiance to anybody. The Army, the Armed Forces, the police, the fire service, all have to swear an oath of allegiance to the Queen. How ridiculous! Isn't it time that they swore an oath of allegiance to the people? Yes, that is what we want. And then the idea of this upper-class woman coming to Merthyr, no doubt they'll drag some poor school kids out to go and wave their little flags, yeah? But the numbers are turning up to these things are less and less and less. A decade ago, we were organising the Stuff the Monarchy weekend and the time of the last Jubilee. And I was ill-advised enough to say that I wished to show as little respect towards the Queen as possible. Now, does the Queen matter? Well, yes, I just told you, the police swear their allegiance to the Queen. The Chief Constable at that time held the Queen's Police Medal. Hello? How'd you get one of those? The Queen's Police Medal. And he decided that he didn't like what I was saying. And so I was raided, right, after making this speech, at 7 o'clock in the morning, by police officers who took me to Pontypridd police station, and I was charged with inciting people to paint anti-monarchist slogans in the Rhondda. The crucial thing was given bail conditions not to go to the Rhondda, so I couldn't, when she got there. But basically, right, it was a ridiculous show trial. It should never have happened. Of course the prosecution collapsed. But why? Why should the Chief Constable at that time, yeah? And why should he have had the power to do that? Because of these gaps in the UK Constitution, the lack of accountability. So when Mrs. Windsor turns up in Merthyr, that's what she's representing. A constitution which is disintegrating. We in Wales are no longer interested, are we? We don't believe in fairy tales anymore, do we? No, quite. And in simple language, we've got to turn around and say, keep your bloody Prince of Wales. When Charlie becomes king, we don't want a Prince of Wales, because he's not our Prince of Wales, it's their Prince of Wales. Yeah? He's an insult. He is an insult. And he can't help it, he looks like a wingnut. But in simple language, right, it's time that we turn our back on all of that sort of thing, we built a Welsh independent republic. And the only type worth having is the socialist one. So, in simple language, right, that brings me back to 1831, the raising of the red flag, yeah? Let's remember that. Let us now go forward, building on our own confidence to make Wales a better place and have nothing to do with a monarchy. Thank you very much.